Transform chaos into clarity and visually map out your team structure with this quick guide to creating a professional organization chart in Microsoft Word. First, open a blank Microsoft Word document, head to the Insert tab at the top of your ribbon and click on it. In the Illustrations group, you'll find SmartArt. Give that a click. This opens the SmartArt graphics dialog box. Navigate to the hierarchy category on the left-hand side, and then select the organization chart layout. You'll see a preview of the chart on the right. Click OK. A default organization chart template will now appear in your document. Notice the text pane that has also opened on the left. This text pane is where you'll input your organizational titles and names. Just start typing in the top box, typically representing the highest position, like CEO. Then, press Enter and type the next level of positions, indenting with the Tab key to create subordinate roles. For example, if your first line is CEO, tab over and type Head of Marketing, then tab again and type Marketing Manager. As you type, and use Tab and Shift Tab to adjust indentation in the text pane, you'll see the organization chart dynamically update in your document, visually reflecting the hierarchy. To add more boxes, simply place your cursor in the text pane and press Enter. If you need to add a peer or a subordinate, use the Tab or Shift Tab keys respectively. You can also select a box in the chart and use the SmartArt Design tab on the ribbon to add subordinates, colleagues, or assistants. Want to add some flair? With the chart selected, you can use the SmartArt Design tab to change the colors, apply different visual styles, and even relay out your chart for maximum visual appeal. And there you have it, a clean, professional organization chart ready to be included in your reports or presentations, ensuring everyone understands your team structure at a glance.